Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change language in Google Drive. So for you to be able to change language in Google Drive, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is click on the gear icon at the top, click on it, then tap on the settings. Then this will take you to general. Then make sure you select the general option, scroll the way down, then click on change language settings. Then a new window will pop up. Then from there click on this pen icon. Then from here you can select any other language preference of your choice. Once you've done that, then click on it. Once you click on it, then this will select the language, then tap on save, and that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.